to Pirates Cove. In my buddy's old Defender, we ran until the gas got low. We were flying close to heaven, everything was starting to glow. Driving in the sunset, rolling 'cause we had to roll. I think he was a preacher, but Lord, I can't recall his name. He was running out of wind, but talking to me just the same. He said 5 will get you 10, but boy, you got to stay in the game. Got to let it ride, or you only got yourself to blame. Lost a wheel in Santa Cruz, so we partied with some motel mates. My friend said I don't like mine, so what do you say we trade? She was a part of my heart, now she's just a line in my face. They let us go with a warning, said we'd book you, but we don't have a case. My friend said take her with you, to leave her here would be a crime. But let's get out of Santa Cruz, all I got is a Canadian dime. I got a friend in Mendocino, and it's getting close to harvest time. If a little past her prime. On the trip to Pirates Cove, on the trip to Pirates Cove. In the sunset, driving in the sunset.